Okay. So there are railings on the rear and the side of the toilet seat. There is room for your knees under the sink. I have like 3 pillows under me, otherwise there'd be plenty of room. This is similar to the Prima, the trash can behind a door, very nice. The soap is all down low, the plug is down low. The shower is very nice, and the handheld shower is actually down where it's very comfortable height, even if you're in a wheelchair. It does not go all the way up. A tall person sharing the room would probably have to hold it by hand. There are railings all the way around the bathroom, the shower, and there's a folding seat. It's very nice. Get out of here. I'm trying not to get on the towels. There's towels on the floor. Okay. This is it. Get out of here. There we go. Now the room, very spacious. Room for a wheelchair on each side. Mine is not quite a wide one. It might be a little tighter than a wide one, but it's there. The refrigerator. There's a refrigerator. Oh, the hair dryer is down low. There's room for your knees to get under the mirror. Beautiful. Very nice. As usual, the TV across from the bed. Very nice lighted mirror. 2 drawers, windows. There's a plug on each side of the bed, along with a light switch. Light switch over here. What this does. Just open the door. Oh, it's a door lock. Okay, the balcony is fully accessible. It has a drop down lip. I'll back up so you can see that. And there is, it would be possible to get a wheelchair out there. Right. And a cute little table and 2 chairs. Very nice. Let's find a closet. Maybe it doesn't have a closet.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good.
Morning, well.
Oh, here's the closet. And one shows the closet. Fully mirror the closet. Oh, there's a railing right there. You can hold it. Oh, the door. 2 doors. 2 sliding doors. A railing down low. And this side has a safe. 2 shelves. They're kind of like basket shelves.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you look down and your subscribe button is red, please click on the picture of us down there in the bottom left corner. The box on the right has some videos we'll think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, and we really do appreciate you watching. Thanks.